Top profitable businesses in India 2024-2025. Starting a business in India can be challenging due to numerous restrictions and regulations. However, there are still many opportunities for entrepreneurs in the country. Now let me briefly tell you everything you need to know about these businesses. Starting with digital marketing agency. Digital marketing is a growing industry in India and is expected to replace traditional marketing, social media marketing, web marketing, email marketing, blogging and SEO. Now, let us look at the licensing procedure. While you don't necessarily need a specific license to operate a digital marketing agency in India, registering your business offers advantages and establishes credibility. Here are some common registrations to consider. Shop and Establishment Act license. This is required for most businesses operating from a physical location. Costs vary depending on your city and your office size. GST registration. If your annual turnover exceeds rupees 20 lakh, you need to register for goods and services tax, that is GST. MSME registration. Registering with the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises offers benefits like access to loans, subsidies and tax benefits. Now, how to invest? The initial investment for a digital marketing agency is relatively low compared to other businesses. Here are the main cost factors. Office space. While not essential, some may prefer a dedicated workspace. Rent can vary depending on location and size. Computers and softwares. You'll need computers with designs and analytics software. Costs can range from rupees 1 lakh to 3 lakh depending on needs. Marketing and sales. Budget for initial marketing efforts to attract clients. Now let us talk about the profits. Profit margin from digital marketing agencies can be healthy, ranging from 20% to 50% depending on factors like client base. Now, our number 2 business, investment business. With the flourishing stock market and diverse investment options like cryptocurrencies, gold, real estate and futures, investing in these sectors can be a lucrative venture. Now, what about investments? Investment amounts can vary significantly depending on the business model. Here are some factors to consider. Investing in a robust trading platform and back office system can be crucial. While some operations can be remote, some might require a physical office setup. Now, profits. Profits in the investment business depend on various factors and can vary considerably. Business number 3, courier service. This surge in e-commerce in India underscores the escalating demand for courier services. Courier services can foster business expansion. Innovative ideas contribute to the competitive edge in the industry. Requirement for licensing. To operate a courier service legally in India, you will typically need to obtain a few essential licenses. Shop and Establishment Act license. The license is mandatory for most businesses operating from a physical location. The application process and fees vary depending on your city and office space size. GST registration. If your projected annual turnover exceeds rupees 20 lakh, around $24,000 USD, you will need to register for goods and services tax GST. Office space. You'll need a space for administration tasks, sorting packages and potentially storage. Costs will depend on location and size. Vehicles. Reliable vehicles are crucial. This could involve 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers or 4-wheelers depending on your services areas and delivery volume. Staff. Depending on the scale of your operation, you might need staff for handling deliveries, sorting packages and administrative tasks. Now, what are the profits from courier service? Profit margins in the courier service industry can vary depending on several factors, such as efficiency, optimizing delivery routes, minimizing turnaround time and controlling operational costs all contribute to your higher profit. Network reach. A wider network reach allows you to handle larger volumes and potentially negotiate better rates with the clients. Market competition. The level of competition in your area will influence pricing strategies and profit margins. Moving on. On number 4, we have Internet of Things. IoT business. Operating appliances remotely through Wi-Fi is becoming commonplace. Establishing an IoT business, either B2B or B2C, presents opportunities for those in the IT field. Now, licensing. The specific licenses you will need for your IoT business depends on your activities. Shop and Establishment Act license. This is mandatory for most businesses operating from a physical location in India. GST registration. If your projected annual turnover exceeds rupees 20 lakh, you will need to register for Goods and Services Tax (GST). Hardware manufacturing. If you plan to manufacture your own IoT device, factor in the cost of setting up a manufacturing unit or outsourcing production. Software development. Developing robust and secure software platforms for managing and connecting IoT device is crucial. So these are the top businesses. If you want to know more such information regarding business ideas, stay tuned with Freedom Business English.